This right here is Virtual's protocol. That number in blue is 480% over 35 days. Now, if you feel like you missed the boat, well, I'm here to tell you you didn't. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you're going to make a shitload of money in the Virtual's protocol ecosystem because it's still very early. We're going to talk about Genesis. We're going to talk about how to farm the points. We're going to talk about how to use the points. And I'm also going to give you 3 virtual protocol ecosystem plays that can make you a lot of money. One of them is AXBT. The other 2 are hidden gems that no one's really talking about yet. So we'll get into that. Make sure to like the video and let's jump in. We'll get back to the chart in a little bit to analyze some price action. But first, what has Virtual's protocol been up to? We know the price got up to $5, came crashing back down to 50 cents. So if you've been accumulating Virtual's protocol at 50 cents because you were watching our daily live show Monday through Friday at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, congratulations to you because you're currently sitting on a 6x, a 5x. My math is a little off this morning, but that's okay. There's still a lot of math to do in this video. You take a look in this thing right here. So while the price is going down, Virtual's protocol and the team continue to build, which is why we remain bullish on this ecosystem while everyone was hammering away and why the price was down 95%. So this post here on X from Virtual's protocol, Virtual's monthly update, April 2023. Genesis deployed, points live, enforcement activated. So a couple things that highlighted. The Genesis launch, which has been wildly successful, essentially making you and I the snipers and getting rid of the actual snipers who have been ruining these new meme coin and AI agent launches for the last really 10 months to 1 year. And Virtual's protocol has solved that in most part. Also, they had their first Genesis agent goes live, which was Hollywood Agent, which we participated in and made money. Alongside Genesis, they introduced Virgin Points. This is part of the formula of how they've gotten rid of these snipers is you need to be active in the ecosystem, hold ecosystem tokens, hold Virtual's protocol, stake ecosystem tokens, or talk about the project on social media. We'll get into all the different ways you can farm Virgin points in this video as well. So that was that. All additional mechanics were added to strengthen the point system. They added a diamond hand claim. If you hold their Genesis launches long-term, they'll give you extra points. Take profit cooldown and YAP for points, which again, we'll get into more detail. They talk about enforcement, simplifying creator fees. They paid millions of dollars to creators via fees. They got listed on Binance, so shout out to the Virtuals team. They made noise at Token 2049. This was one of the most talked about projects at that convention in Dubai just a couple of weeks ago, and they completed their first hackathon. And then April marked the spark. May fans the flame. Amen to that, to the Virtuals team. Let's take a look here. This is a very interesting chart, okay? This is Base's DEX volume, Base, the layer 2 that Virtual's protocol is on. In the light shaded red is the entirety of the base DEX volume. The little bars you see, the lines, the little areas, the darker red, that is Virtual's protocol and the market share they have of the total base DEX volume. You take a look at the peak of Virtual's, it was 26.7% of the totality of the volume on Base's DEX. You take a look at where it is now, we're at 12%. So we still have a long ways to go. And I do believe this number can reach in the mid to high 30%. Also, when you take a look at the Genesis launch, this has been extremely successful. You can see here 5 million total virtual protocol tokens committed to these Genesis launches, along with 687 net virtual committed. You see everything is looking up and to the right. People are excited about this. This was something that I believe the market truly needed. And then we put this post up exactly how to make money with Genesis launches. There are 4 ways. The highest risk is to buy and hold virtual agents. The medium risk to buy and hold virtual. Another medium risk is to buy and stake Vader research, not only Vader, but there's a list of 5 or 6 other ecosystem tokens that you can stake to earn the Virgin points to participate in the Genesis launch. And the last one, which I believe is the lowest risk, you including. If you don't have any money, you want to start with, hey, I just want to talk about and highlight Virtual's protocol. It's called yapping. You can do it. Submit your post to the Virtuals team, and then you'll be able to get points to participate in some of the airdrops. Now, the Genesis launches, this is what they look like. Every single week, or every day, I should say, there's new ones being added. And there are some tips and tricks to learn which ones to stay away from and which ones to not stay away from. And we actually shared an in-depth post to our Patreon members yesterday. Speaking of Patreon, I'm gonna show you a little clip of a video we posted to our Patreon, pretty much a step-by-step guide on how to participate in the Virtuals Protocol ecosystem. And this is just a little snippet. You'll see as you hover over, it'll say subscribe. Now you click on subscribe and it'll take you to this page. You pledge your points. So this was around a 12-minute video that, again, our Patreon members got. So if you want to be part of our Patreon and make some money with us, make sure to click the link in the description of the video. It'll take you to our Patreon page. It's only $20 a month. You get so much alpha. It's great. All right. Now let's talk about non-Genesis. We talked about Genesis. Let's talk about the projects that are actually live on Virtuals Protocol. I think an easy 1 billion market cap plus project in the Virtuals ecosystem is AXBT. It is the leader in all of AI agents, currently sitting at $191 million market cap. It did reach around 850 to 900 million, I believe, if the AI and AI agent narrative and trend continues, that this could be a $1 to $2 billion plus market cap AI agent. So you're talking about anywhere between a 5 to 10x for fairly low risk compared to the rest of the markets where you would have to go to get that 5 to 10x. Another one is Vader. Vader was really, really hot. This thing ran up to around 16 to 17 cents. It came all the way down to around a fraction of a penny. And you can still pick it up at 4.5 cents at a $45 million market cap. This Vader team is tied to the Virtuals Protocol founders, the ecosystem. They are a front runner, a leader, and a lot of people have been staking the Vader token to get the points. It seems like Vader is always at the forefront of everything that Virtuals Protocol does and launches. And in turn, the holders and stakers of Vader are recipients of a lot of those benefits as well. I am a Vader staker myself, and so that is a gem. And the other one that I recently started accumulating heavily is Neurobro. This thing is sitting at $7.5 million market cap. And I'll be honest with you, I think this thing could be a 100x play. And that is kind of on the low side. Believe it or not, that sounds extremely crazy, but we're talking about less than a $1 billion market cap. Let me just give you a glimpse of what this project does. This is their post. Big announcement. For months, we've been building the final missing piece of the Neurobro ecosystem, introducing NeuroDex, their Neurobro native trading bot. Here's what it'll do. Let you trade any token instantly, automatically find the best route and highest liquidity, which gives you the least impact on price if you're looking to sell big bags. Execute trades directly on Neurobro's calls. So not only can it facilitate trades for you, but it can take its own trades it's giving and facilitate those as well. Remove the need to ever leave Telegram. And so they're integrating with Telegram, which you know has almost 1 billion users, and much, much more. All you need is a ticker or a contract and how much you want to invest, and Neurobro will do the rest for you. They're already in final testing, and if everything goes smoothly, this should be live in 2 weeks, and you're going to see, I believe, a big spike in price. Now, of course, that's not financial advice. I'm not saying I have any insider info. I personally hold a lot of the token. I just look at what this thing is doing and where it's going to go. So those are your 3 gems. I showed you how to make money with Virtuals Protocol and the Genesis launches. I showed you the 3 tokens that I'm the most bullish on. What else are you waiting for, man? Subscribe to the channel and come check out our live show Monday through Friday at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The next one. Peace.